Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pho fast. Traditional pho often requires simmering bones for 8 to 12 hours to develop its deep, complex flavors. However, with a few clever shortcuts and ingredient choices, you can enjoy a delicious bowl of homemade pho in under 1 hour. We'll focus on maximizing flavor in a fraction of the time, ensuring a satisfying and authentic tasting experience without the long wait. Get ready to enjoy this comforting dish much sooner than you thought possible. To achieve speed without sacrificing taste, selecting the right ingredients is paramount. Start with a good quality, low-sodium beef broth, which forms the foundation of your soup. Opt for thinly sliced beef, such as sirloin or eye of round, which cooks almost instantly when added to the hot broth. Don't forget aromatic essentials like fresh ginger, star anise, and cinnamon sticks. These quickly infuse the broth with authentic pho flavor. These choices will dramatically cut down your preparation time. The broth is the heart of pho and will make it fast. First, dry toast your whole spices like star anise, cloves, and cinnamon sticks for about 5 minutes until fragrant. Then, add them to your beef broth along with charred ginger and onion, simmering for just 20 to 30 minutes to infuse the flavors. While the broth simmers, prepare your rice noodles according to package directions, usually a quick soak or boil for 1 to 2 minutes. This parallel cooking saves valuable time. Now for the best part, assembly and enjoyment. Divide your cooked rice noodles among 4 large bowls. Arrange the thinly sliced raw beef over the noodles. Ladle the piping hot, aromatic broth directly over the beef and noodles. The heat of the broth will perfectly cook the thin slices of meat in mere seconds. Garnish generously with fresh herbs like cilantro and basil, along with bean sprouts, lime wedges, and chili. Your delicious, fast pho is ready to savor in under an hour.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.